everybody, it's Christina from Christina's Crafts, and I have been saving this little beauty since Valentine's Day, and I am going to make, this is going to be a Christmas DIY that I'm doing. First thing we're going to do is take that off, and then there's a little bit of roughness on this front side, and I'm going to be covering that up, so I'm just going to take a little sandpaper here and just kind of smooth that out. All right, and then the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of the heart, and I'm going to take this plaster chalk paint and paint my envelope the plaster color. So I just got a little paint on there, and I'm not going to do this part of my envelope, but I'm going to do the outside here, and then the pattern from this is sticking out a little bit, so I'm going to do the sides of it too. Okay. This is all painted. I have 2 coats of paint on there. Now while I'm waiting for that to dry, I got these stickers from Dollar Tree, and I actually got these last year. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some of this Deco Art metallic paint, and I am going to paint my snowflakes that color. So I'm just going to take a little bit of paint. We'll see how it looks after 1 coat and see if I'll do another. But I'm going to do 2 of my snowflakes that color. Okay, I'm going to wait for those to dry, and I think I'm going to use that same color on my Believe sign. Now this I actually had painted. I was going to do this color for a different project, and then I ended up not using it. So I'm going to try to put the silver right over the top of this. Okay, now that this is dry, I want to replace this red with this checkered. Now this is going to be a little tricky because there's these little edges in here, so I'm going to have to try to fit this in here. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to trace this out, and I'm just going to trace this out here. And then I am going to go ahead and cut that out. Okay, now that I got that cut out, I'm going to have to trim the sides a little bit. I'm just going to kind of guess here about what I'm doing, because these are going to have to stick up a little bit so that it covers the end here. Okay, so I'm going to take my X-Acto knife here. Look for this little edge, and then this is going to come up a little bit here, and then I'm going to have to cut a little bit of chunk out of the paper. That's in there pretty good. Alright, I am going to get some Mod Podge and get this attached, and then I'm going to get the excess cut off of there. Okay, I have my Mod Podge out, and I'm going to stick some on here. Pretty thin layer so I can slide my paper back in there. And then I'm going to do the rest of it up here. Okay, now I'm just going to take my X-Acto knife and I'm going to cut the excess off. Okay, now I need to put the lines back for the envelope. Unfortunately, I can't really see where they were, so I'm just going to kind of estimate about where they were, and I'm just going to draw just a little line on here. Let's see. It's a little about 1 inch, so about there. Just so it kind of looks more like an envelope. Printed, this is my big thing right here. I printed this off of, I think it was Google Images or something, and this is going to go into my sign here. And I'm just going to show the top part, so it's going to kind of look like a letter to Santa. So I'm going to go ahead and try to cut this out as straight as I can. Alright, so you can just go on the internet and just search Dear Santa letters, and lots of stuff comes up. So I'm going to stick this in here, but I think I'm going to go down a little bit farther than that. because it looks kind of weird with all the lines with nothing on it. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go like right about there. So for this, I'm actually just gonna grab my glitter glue that I have. I just got this off of Amazon. Just look up glitter glue or art glitter glue and it comes up. All right, and then I'm gonna stick this in here. Trying to center it. Yep, we're just gonna go right there. Oh, I think that looks so cute. I'm so excited. All right, then the next thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my believe sign on there and hopefully get it centered on there really good before the hot glue dries. Ugh. I swear, glue strings, they drive me insane. Okay, I got the believe on there about as good as I'm gonna get it. And then I have my little stickers here that I'm gonna put on here. And I think I'm gonna put that one in the corner and this one's gonna go in the middle here. But even though there's a sticker on here, I'm still gonna put a little hot glue on there. Okay, so I sat there debating for quite a while if I was gonna do anything else. I was gonna put a bow up on top, but you know what? I don't like it. It's supposed to be an envelope with a letter to Santa, so I'm gonna leave it just the way it is. And it's just gonna basically sit on my fireplace mantle like this. I think it turned out pretty good. I don't know. Please let me know what you think. I want to say thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you saved one of these from Valentine's Day so you can make one, because I think it turned out so cute. But don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell so you get notified when I upload, and take care. Thanks. Bye.